The abstract. The abstract is one key aspect of every research that indicates if a research work was actually conducted by the presenter. The abstract is also an executive summary that gives every reader that sense of understanding pre-information on the content of a research work. Talking about the abstract, as an executive summary, it should give the ideal picture of the study. The abstract should start with a brief description of the study background. Remember that when you present your abstract, oftentimes there are cutoff points for number of words. Most times 200, 250, 300. So while you make effort to make sure that the abstract gives a clean preview of your work, it's also important that you ensure that you don't cross the maximum number of words allocated for the abstract. So keep those two in view as you write your abstract. Highlight the purpose of the study. Here, where a study has several uh, specific objectives, it's beautiful if the abstract will only state those objectives that connect directly to the center of the study. It will be good to bring in several objectives in the abstract, which will make it impossible to also present other necessary aspects of the abstract. In such cases, researchers are advised to look at those objectives that capture the research topic and well defines the research problem. It's also important that after stating the purpose of the study, the abstract should show the sample selection procedure and the sample size. How did you select your sample? What is your sample size? Is your sample size a representative size? The abstract should also mention the method of data analysis. What approach did you use? What tool did you use for your data analysis? Going further, the abstract should provide the major findings of the study. The major findings of the study should be on the abstract. What we're presenting here ideally is a sequence of idea, the sequence of idea that will ensure coherence, in your presentation of abstract. Now, after listing the major findings, of course, arising from your data analysis, irrespective of the tools you must have used, it's advisable that your presentation of major findings should flow along with your presentation of your objectives. The next is to make your conclusion. Highlight the conclusion of the study. Highlight the study conclusion. When you highlight the study conclusion, it will go a long way to help you in making recommendations. These recommendations must be in line with the findings of the study and the conclusions you've drawn. Thank you again for your time.